In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom object in Salesforce Lightning using a spreadsheet or CSV file. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just getting started, this guide is meant to walk you through the process smoothly, ensuring that by the end you'll have your data perfectly integrated into your Salesforce environment. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. This is where everything begins, and it's important to ensure you have the appropriate permissions to create custom objects. Once you're logged in, you'll navigate to the Setup menu. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. From there, select Advanced Setup. This is your control center for all things customization within Salesforce. With the Setup screen open, use the Quick Find search bar to search for Object Manager. This tool is an incredibly powerful feature within Salesforce that helps you manage and customize your application's objects. Once selected, it will show you a list of all existing objects, but today we're focusing on creating a new one from scratch. Within Object Manager, look out for the button or option to create, and from there, click on Custom Object from Spreadsheet. Selecting this initiates the process of transforming your spreadsheet data into a Salesforce object. Once you've landed on the Create a Custom Object from Spreadsheet page, you'll need to upload your CSV or Excel file. Make sure your file is well organized, as this will make the subsequent steps much smoother. Salesforce is particularly adept at recognizing data, so a well-structured file with clear headers will be your best friend here. After uploading your file, Salesforce will automatically detect the fields from your columns within the spreadsheet. This detection relies heavily on the structure and clarity of your headers, ensuring that each column aligns with potential field names within Salesforce. At this point, you have the opportunity to adjust any field types as necessary. Depending on the data contained within your spreadsheet, Salesforce might make assumptions about field types that you'll want to customize. Take a moment to review these, ensuring the data integrity when it's finally uploaded. Next up is a crucial step. You'll be prompted to enter an object name, its label, and plural name. These names help identify and differentiate your custom object from others, making it easier to locate and manage within Salesforce in the future. Be concise yet descriptive in your naming conventions. Finally, once everything looks great and you're satisfied with your setup, click Finish. Salesforce will then go ahead and create the object along with fields that were parsed from your spreadsheet, fully integrating your data into your Salesforce workspace. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully created a custom object in Salesforce Lightning using a spreadsheet. Now you can start managing this data within Salesforce, taking full advantage of its robust features to enhance your business processes. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. See you next time.